My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is pure flexibility and mobility right here on this mat in this field in beautiful Tennessee. Will you join me? Follow along in real time. We youthen our whole body, lubricate, oil up, and of course, feel and look better and better. Click that thumbs up button and let's begin. Child pose. Keep on moving. Got a good 10 minutes of good constant flow. Modify as needed, always use control. Stretch back to child's pose, lengthen, inhale forward, modified plank. Enjoy the planes going overhead too. Inhale, exhale. Dynamic, flowing, stretching, and mobility, the best there is. I was just at the gym doing a bunch of squats and pull-ups and whatnot, so this is the perfect tonic to smooth it all out. Now lower down and lift, cobra or up dog. Oh, stretch it back and then forward, put it together. Bippity, boppity, flexibility. Make it your own. Breathe into that movement, my friends. Love that stretch. Do this all day. Let's do 3 more. Great shoulder movement as well. Feel that open the chest. You are next. One more time. Oh, stretch. Lift those knees off the mat if you can. Squeeze the glutes, lengthen the arms. And let's bring it back to downward facing dog. Stretch it out. Walk. Walk that dog. Stretch the backs of the legs, the glutes, shoulders releasing, move the upper body side to side if you wish. Was practicing some of these at the gym, off to the side. I like to go nest at the gym just, and play around with movement, do a whole bunch of this kind of stuff in between strength training and whatnot. All right, feet together, bend the knees, let's swivel. Oh, it's a little corkscrew, actually. Loosen up the back. Stretch the sides. Get that healthy movement. Stretch the upper body. Take the hands further forward. Open the fingers wide. Lots of breath. What do you think about this? Well, 3 more each side. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Take it forward, ripple, round the upper back, round it. Hollow out the abdominals. And then drop the hips down, up dog or, oh hi, there you are. Up dog or cobra. Bend the legs if you like. These are all options. They're options, my friends. We're dealing with body weight. So anything goes with, just like that. You can move on to anything or pull back anything. Anywhere, anytime. 2 more breaths. Up dog, cobra, or flex the legs. Really targeting your hip flexors, your lower back, your hamstrings. All right, take it back to downward facing dog. Right leg comes up, open, scorpion. Stretch it out, little pulse. Inhale forward, exhale. Bring the heel down, open the hip further if you like. Lift the knee towards the sky. And there really is endless sky right here. Simpsons clouds. Okay, bring that right foot forward. Lunge, drop the left knee or bring the leg off the mat. Stagger the feet. Shoulders back and down, arms up. If you want more, eagle lunge. Right arm forward, left arm goes underneath. Hands here. Or bring them all the way around, hands together. Add whatever kind of pulsing you like, stretching the back leg, engaging the front leg, and working your core, and of course, your balance. Big fan of eagle arms, opening the upper back, middle back, shoulders. Oh, yes. But eagle, not hit back. One more breath. Release into cactus arms, opening the chest. Can't do these enough. Cell phone posture, screen postures, rolling forward all the time. Open. Open into pyramid. Lengthen this leg as much as you can, of course. If you want more, add a pulse. Forward and back. Ooh. You take a little look at this side to side if you want. Hey, it's your body. This is a great stock. The Coach Vigue flexibility and mobility stock pays dividends all the time, all day, for a week, month, years to come if you do it consistently. I just joined the 50 club. So you bet your sweet bippy, these are a part of my daily routine. One more. Hold it or lift this arm up. We have a revolving pyramid. Pull that cap down. That sun is relentless. Or take the arms, or the arm rather, to your lower back. So we're stretching, keep pulsing, we're rotating the upper body. Jackson! All right, hands down, my friend. Step back, down dog, left leg up. Scorpion. What was that? Okay. Pulsing if you like. Lots of breath. Modify. You can come out of it if you need to. Work your way up. Could you get off my arm there? Okay. Just monitoring the bugs here. Tennessee's got a whole new breed of bugs than Florida or Wisconsin. Colorado had no bugs. All right, forward we go. Hi ho ho. All right, lunge. Lunge, my friends. Shirt tuck, very precise. Arms up, or if you want the eagle lunge, left arm, right arm underneath. Here we are. Focus on yourself. Find some focus, find some breath. Lifting with the inhale, exhale, bring it down. Okay, one more breath. We're going, we're going, we're going. Cactus arms open. Big opening. Isn't that great? Into our pyramid. Play with it. Play with that pyramid. Pulse it forward and back, side to side. Unlock that potential. It's in there. A lot of times we think we can't do things anymore. We can't move a certain way. We can't do this, can't do that. The only difference is, as the years tick by, you got to earn it more. It doesn't come naturally. It's there. Bring it out. But you got to do daily practice. Get to the point where you can't really exist without the daily practice. It feels so good. It's challenging. It's invigorating. It opens up all the possibilities. So you don't feel like you're in kind of a movement mental prison every day. Do the movement. Add the twist if you want. The sweat falls. Hopefully the camera's still on. All right, step back, down dog, bring it forward, lower down. Cobra or up dog. Back to downward facing dog, stretch it out. All right, take the leg out. Let's finish in straddle. Legs as wide as you comfortably can, or bend the knees. From here, play around with that straddle. I'm gonna rock it side to side. Move it back and forth, overlook Hong Kong perhaps. Opening the hips, stretching the hamstrings. I might as well tuck in this glorious shirt. Stretch those sides, my friends. Lots of breath. Continue this flow as long as you wish. It's always here. Opening up that chest. Lace the fingers behind you, mudra. Hinge forward if you like. Raising those arms to the sky, opening the chest as you hinge. As you fight to survive. Work it out. Work it out. Shed the crap. Shake off the rust. All right here. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. All right, how's that feel? Good stretch. Do it once, do it twice, do it 3 times, my friends. Oh, anywhere, anytime. Okay, bring it in. Drop those legs back, and can I put my hands back here? Yeah, love this one. Nice finisher. Put the polish on. Drop those legs side to side. There is nothing gonna stop you. And definitely click that thumbs up button down there if this helped. Subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. I appreciate it. Gets out to more people. Celebrate this movement. Yeah. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked. We got a new spot today. What do you think, Addies? Oh, she likes it. She likes it. Thank you, sweetheart. Mwah. See you soon. Show us where to go, Addies. Best spot to film. Not a bad day. What do you think?